What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage man back at another video, and today we're going to be doing a review and on feed over the Air Jordan 1 Obsidians right here, as you can see. Before we get too far into it, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, man. We're like a couple away from 18,000 subscribers, vintage gang members, whatever you want to call yourselves. We 18K strong, in a couple of maybe by the night or maybe by tomorrow we will have 18K on the channel. So shouts out to all the OG subscribers and shouts out to all the new subscribers coming to the channel, man. You already know we do reviews, the on feeds, we do the mall vlogs, we do a lot of different stuff on this channel. And also follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World and like this video. To go for every video is 100 likes, man. So hit that like button right now for your boy. Without further ado, let's jump right into this review and on feed over these Air Jordan 1 Obsidians, man. Let's get it. All right, you already know how I do, man. We talk about the box. This is the shoe box that I put behind my seat and I let all the way back, and I went to crushing the whole box and went in like this. So I'm trying to get it back right now. Maybe this box is done for sure, but you already know I don't keep my boxes. I try to flip everything back into the drop fronts. That's like the new wave now. That's what I've been doing for like years now. Now everybody's on the drop fronts. Nobody care about the box over here. So here you have it. Got the stamping here. Got a Nike swoosh down here. I've never seen a swoosh in the box before, but we have a little Nike swoosh right here. White tissue paper, of course, and the extra laces came on the left shoe, and we got it in that UNC blue colorway. I will be doing the UNC colorway for the laces, and I will do the navy blue and other shoe for you guys to see which one y'all like the most. And I'm gonna tell y'all which ones I like the most at the end. Checking out the size label, we got Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, size 9, of course, and the fish colorway is Sail, Obsidian, and University Blue. And these retail for 160 bones, man. Check them out right there. Check out that little label, that new QR code that we get, the whole new size label that we get on the boxes. It's very different from what we got in the past. So Jordan Brand switching up on us. All right, here we have it, man. Air Jordan 1 Obsidians. We can go ahead and pop these laces off of them. And we're gonna be putting these University Blue laces in one of the shoes during on feet. So like I said, I wanna know which ones you like the most. And I'm not sure which one I like the most yet, just from looking at it and not having them in yet. But I do think that the navy blue that matches the toe box will look the best for this shoe. But checking it out, yesterday y'all seen all the different types of leather quality in the shoe. And this was the best pair. The other two, you already see, they're not up there anymore. Them things already headed to StockX for verification. That should be a very fast process. That's my first two things selling on StockX. So I'm gonna bring a video to you guys and kind of update you and let you know what you gotta do and like how to sell on StockX video. But we had stupid soft leather over here on the side panels of the shoe, as well as the other shoe as well, man. That's why I was like, man, I gotta keep this pair. The other shoes was leather quality was like, all right. So I was like, whoever bought them on StockX can have those two pairs. But I had to keep the most buttery one. But here you have it, got that off-white Sail side panel, and you got the University Blue Nike suit right here, wrapping all the way around to the inside of the shoe, which the leather quality on the inside is as good as on the other side panel. So shouts out to Jordan Brand for giving your boy a good, nice pair. And I was thinking that the side panels and the leather quality depending on size, but y'all seen yesterday I had 3 different sizes and all 3 of the leather quality was different. So I was like, what is going on here? And it had me thinking, like, did the older Jordans I released, did I just get a bad pair? That's what I've been thinking now lately, because one pair was like super flat. You couldn't even see no tumbleness to the leather. Now look at this one. The leather quality is stupid, man. So I'm not for sure on what's going on. Maybe I keep getting the bad pairs. But yesterday I lucked up and I got the good pair, man. So here you have it right here. Navy blue wrapping all the way down side of the shoe, going down to the toe box, man. All navy blue here, and you can see that nice plush toe box right here and that Sail off-white colorway as well. You have a Sail midsole wrapping all the way around the shoe, of course. Check it out, check it out. And in the back, the leather is all right. Like, it's like a regular Air Jordan 1 leather for the back of the shoe. It's not nothing crazy. It ain't nothing like too crazy. So we're not gonna get to that one too much, but nice quality on the back of the shoe. And you have that Air Jordan Wings logo here as well, and that navy blue, man. So check it out. Very dope what Jordan Brand is doing, man. And I love the ones, and they've been growing on me a lot lately. Your boy been getting the lows, and I've been getting, of course, the highs. So Jordan Brand keep giving those dope colorways. I'm gonna keep copping them. Hopefully we get some bread action coming back. We get some Chicago action coming back, and a whole bunch of shoes that I missed back in the day. Your boy need them things ASAP. Checking out the tongue, we got an off-white Sail plush tongue right here, as you can see, leading up to the top, when we have the Nike swoosh air right here, as you get on most of your Air Jordan 1 high tongues. On the back, it is the same. Got it in that white, off-white, and you of course got the branding and trademarks and stuff on the back of the tongue. On the inside, you get a regular cardboard shoe tree. You got your navy blue laces tucked in there real tight. And then you have Nike Air on the inside. And there's a navy blue insole with University Blue Nike Air branded right here, as you can see, man. So very dope. You see that size 9 in there. Your boy likes sticking to that size 9 in the ones. I feel like 9.5 is too flimsy, but if I have to, if I got to get a pair, your boy will be rocking a loose pair of 9.5. So there you have it right there. The whole inner is navy blue as well, and then the leather up here around the heel is very nice. Very good quality. I haven't seen a lot of quality control issues. That's been the big thing for me, looking and seeing what's really wrong with the shoe, how Jordan Brand been executing the shoe. And this one right here is probably the best one, like I said, out of the 3 shoes that I did have when speaking about quality. Last part of the shoe that your boy really likes the most, of course, I like it when they got that icy blue or that gun bottom, but right here we have all navy blue on the outsole right here. You got the Nike swoosh on the bottoms of the shoe. Of course, same Air Jordan 1 trackpad that we always get. And this one right here, I feel like it's dope because you got that navy blue. It's kind of easy to clean, and it's kind of hard to tell if it's dirty or not. So very dope execution by Jordan Brand for this. All right, that is it for this review over the Air Jordan 1 Obsidian. You got that UNC in the back. You got that navy blue in the front. Very dope shoe. I'm glad Jordan Brand dropped it. The resale was pretty high on these before the release date. It started climbing down, and then all of a sudden now they're going back up around 400, 350, some prices around there. So they shoot it pretty well in my books. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you were able to get a pair. Let me know if you tripled up, quadrupled up. Let me know what you did with this release. Your boy did top 3 pairs, so shouts out to this nigga guys for that. I was in the right place at the right times, and your boy got 3 pairs. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World, man. Link will be in the description box below, and sub to my second channel. Your link will be in the description box below as well for that. Appreciate all of the support. I hope you guys learn about the Jordan on feet, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.